we want to start the demarcation now. This is the demarcation, the fence we want to do for this demarcation. I'm so excited to make these videos for you guys. Guest bathroom, the tile is done. You guys, you can see the excitement all over me. You guys, good evening. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. So today is episode 3 of what am I going to call this, house building, or yeah, but today is episode 3, and you guys, this is night and we are still working. Yes, we are still working. I'm on site now and work is still going on. I'm not fine, but I'm still here, as in I came here to check one or two things. They are offloading the ties now, so Obi called me and he said I should come and check, I should come and see the ties that they are offloading. So that's why I'm here, and work is still going on even at night. See, we must finish this work. By all means, we must finish it and move into our own. Work is still going on this night. The screeding is done. We are done with the screeding. I'm going to show you guys now, and I'm going to show you the workers to tell you that we are so much in a hurry to finish this place. Work is still going on here as I'm speaking with you. We've done some things. We are done with the screeding. We are done with clearing the compound. Yeah, I can't show you guys those ones now because it's really dark, but light is on now and they are working with the lights. The electric light, the solar light that is here, we took it off to put the fence, so I can't show you guys well here because it will not be that clear. But yeah, work is still going on this night. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. They are offloading the ties, so the next thing is to start fixing the ties. Yeah, so this is the quantity of the ties. So many ties is much. Good evening. Yeah, so this is the ties. This is the time we came to offload the ties today. Today is also Sunday, you guys. It's the only time I have time to come and do this kind of videos. So this is a diner truck we are using to offload the ties today. So can you see what I'm saying? So can you see what I'm saying? See, work is still going on. Can you hear the bam, 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 bam? Yeah, see, work is going on. Worker is still on ground. Yeah, and they are still offloading the ties. So tomorrow we are going to start to fix the ties. And screeding is done. We are done screeding. We are done screeding, and we are done clearing some parts. We are done clearing some parts in the compound. This is night. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but yeah, let me just show you what I can show you. Then when it's bright enough, maybe I will come tomorrow or next to show you the rest things you need to see. But yeah, work is still going on this night. This is where we are at now. Tiling work will soon start, and very soon we are going to be done. So welcome to episode 3 yeah, of new home in progress. Yeah, this is the size of the ties. You can see how big this is. This one is for the kitchen floor, and these ones are for the bedroom wall. big this is. Yes. So yeah. Still floating it. So you guys, this is the biodigester. We use biodigester. We did not use soak away here. It's biodigester we used, and this is preferable because in waterlogged area it is better to just use the biodigester like this, so that you won't have issue of your soak away getting too full and those stress. But when you use biodigester, it solves that issue, and especially in areas like this that is waterlogged. So yeah, this is where we are at now. You guys bear with me, this is night, but I'm going to come during the day to show you what needs to be done. So these are the blocks we took out from the fence. The fence is too high, so we took out these blocks from the fence and reduced it. Okay, so yeah, so work is still very much on, but soon enough we are going to be done and we are going to move in. So if you're enjoying these videos I'm sharing with you, please let me know in the comment section, yeah, so that I will know that you guys are enjoying it. Okay, and I'll be encouraged to do more and share with you the updates of our new home. All right, so yeah. So you guys, this is the planting area. You know, I told you guys I was going to do farm here, but can you see that we've cleared the plantains? See, we've removed good amount of, see, I'm going to come during the day, that side is dark, and these are some of the blocks they are going to use to demarcate this place. Yeah, so I'm just going to attach the daytime video with this one so that you can get a clear picture of what I'm saying. All right, so let's end this video here now, and I'm going to do a proper video for you guys when I'm going to take you in and show you the ties when they are fixing it. Okay, all right. Hi my lovelies, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Today is Sunday. Today is another Sunday, you guys. You know I'm always giving you these videos hot on Sunday, and this is many Sunday, no, not many Sundays, this is many days after the last clip I showed you guys that night. So today I'm going to show you guys around as I promised. So you guys, many days have gone by, so I was not feeling fine ever since. That's why I could not just leave the house and come and show you guys what I promised to show you guys during the week. So I just told myself on Sunday I'm going to come and do this thing, because it's mostly Sundays I have the time to do this. Okay. So you guys, with that being said, let's just go around. You know that plantain I was telling you guys about? Yeah, we've reduced the quantity, we've uprooted some of them. Okay, so now let me just show you guys, and yeah, so that you see what I'm saying. Okay, so that place is finally taking shape. Yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to make these videos for you guys. And yeah, in the future I could just look back and tell myself, oh, this is my house, I'm seeing my house now, and this was the process. So you guys, yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, so if you're excited with me, just let me know in the comment section. Just tell me congratulations in the comment section if you're excited with me. All right, yeah, if you have not watched episode 1 and 2, please kindly go and watch that of this series. Okay, so let me go and show you guys. Okay, let's go. You guys, you can see the excitement all over me, because right now if I'm better, I'm not feeling sick, that sick anymore, although I'm not totally fine, but yeah, I'm better compared to the last video you saw. So let's go. Okay, enough of the talking. Okay, let's just go. Lovelies, we've started removing the scaffold. This scaffold, we've started removing them, and yeah, we want to start the demarcation now. This is the demarcation, the fence we want to do for this demarcation. They've already demarcated it, and yeah, look at the plantain I was telling you guys about. Can you see? It is free now, so this place will be more cute when everything is done. So can you see that the plantain, we've removed most of them, and we left the ones that have food on them, like this one. Now you can see food there. You can also see food in this one. Yeah, this one now, there's food there. So yeah, we are progressing. The work is in progress. Can you see? So I came here during the day now so that you guys can see clearly. Everywhere is so bright. So can you see what I'm saying? Now the tiling work is going on inside. The screeding is done. Can you see the outside screeding, the back, everywhere? The screeding in the house is done. We are done with the screeding. We are done with everything that has to do with screeding, both inside, and we are still filling the compound. So look at the biodigester I was telling you guys about. So yeah, work is in progress. So let me show you guys the tile. Let me take you inside to show you the tiling. So that is what we are currently doing now. Let's just go inside. So can you see that this place is taking shape? This place is taking shape now. It's taking shape. Yeah. So the workers are still working. Work is still in progress. Work is still going on. Work is still going on. Even on Sundays, we are still working. You guys, we need to move into our home. So we are serious about this whole thing. So can you see the tiling work? The tiling work for the ante room is done on the wall. The guest bathroom, the tile is done here. So yeah, the tile here is done, and soon enough, this tile, we are going to fix it. Can you see that work is going on? Work is going on here. Really much. Work is going on in the sitting room. Work is going on in your house. Everywhere they are working. Everybody is busy working. Can you see the screening here? The screening is done. Can you see the lobby? See, work is going on there. The lobby, the screening is done here. Yeah, so they are currently on my bathroom. The tiling here is going on. They are currently on my bathroom. Can you see? They are still working. So this is where we are at now. The tiling is in progress. So I think by the next time I come here to show you guys anything, they might have passed this stage, and we are going to go to the episode 4 of this video. So yeah, you guys, this is where we are at now. Small thing. Wow. we are done cutting that one. We're going to fix it now in my bathroom. So that is what is left. Yeah. Can you see that workers are still here? Hey guys, so these are your girls looking today with this simple Ankara attire. Yes, we are twinning, me and my girls. We are twinning. Let me show you guys. We are twinning, me and my girls. Look at them. The mirror. So we are all twinning. We are wearing the same. So yeah. My lovelies, I think I'm going to end this video here. So it's a wrap for episode 3. So you guys, if you've not watched episode 1 and 2 of this series, just go and watch it, okay? Go and watch it. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and join the family. Love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Mwah!